now program the button. This is the button we want to program it. As we saw when we run it, we cannot, when you click it, nothing happen. So now how to program this? Double click on the button. It will take you to a coding page. This is the coding page, and as you see the cursor is waiting where here into button 1, because the name of it, although we put the text as click me, but the name of the button is, as you see here, the name of the button is, there is difference between text, which is whatever appear in the top, and between the name. This is the name, which is button 1. The name, this is as a name of variable or something. We cannot put spaces on this. An identifier for this. Okay, so when we double click, it will take me to a method here called button one underscore click, and then whatever you want, you can put it here. For instance, if I want to show a message here, you remember, or as you know from the console, you use console.write or write line, but here we don't use that because this is a form and I want the output to appear as windows, a little window. So there is a command called, the shortcut for it is mbox. Mbox, just remember the mbox, and then click tab, and you click the tab again. See, this is the tab. It will show you. Okay, when you click the tab twice, you will end up with this one, which is saying message box.show, and this is something to tell you test or something, or let me say hello, anything you want it to appear, hello, and then semicolon. Yeah, you can write it either mbox tab or you just put message box.show and in brackets like that. So instead of console.write or write line, you say message box.show. And be careful whenever you use, depend on the IntelliSense here, message box, you write it like that, but you have to be careful. You use this one because what is it, message box, this one, because the capital and the small take care of it. And then when you click on dot, you select the show, go down to the show and click tab, then you put here another message, then at the end the semicolon as usual. Now if I run it, click start, see here now we have this application as before, but now this button is clickable. When I click on it, it comes to me a message saying hello. Then if I click OK, should be another message appear, should say another message. This is another message. I click OK, that's it, finished. So you can stop it from here or from here. Stop your program. This is how to program the button in the application. We will have more later, so let us prepare the scene. So if this is the click button, and let me have, for instance, I have label, or let me put text box. Where's the text box? Text box. Okay, this is text box. Now I want to program this to enter my name here, and when you click the button it say hello and that name. This is the next video. Thanks.